hope you are all doing well. So in our last video, we saw how we can create threads in Java using runnable interface and also extending the thread class. This is an extension video just to understand what exactly is going on. So we have a main function here. Main method is also running as a thread, right? And when we do a t1.start, it means it's going to start thread t1, and then t2.start would start thread t2, so on and so forth. So in this case, we saw the output that all 4 threads were running in parallel, right? So that means the main, once it started thread T1, it continued its execution throughout to start T2, T3, and T4, right? But what if we actually want the main method to wait until T1 comes back or T2 comes back, right? So there is actually a way to achieve this. So what we can do is there is something called join. For instance, T1 dot join T1.join, right? And we actually need to put this in a try catch block because it can throw a interrupted exception, right? So try T1.join, and then let's do a catch interrupted exception E. We can actually leave this as it is. We actually don't need to do anything here. So what exactly happens when we do this, right? Try to take a guess. You can pause the video, try to take a guess, okay? And yeah, now let's run the code. So it says thread T1 started, and then until and unless thread T1 is finished, it did not start the other threads, right? But it actually went ahead and started all the other threads one after other, but it was waiting for T1 to finish its job. So that's what T1.join does. So that means main thread will not continue its execution until T1 comes back. So that's what it means. So this is one way of uh, achieving synchronizations between threads. If you want it to be waiting on one thread, or if you want one thread to finish its job, we can do something like this. But in Java, there are other ways to actually achieve synchronization by using locks and synchronized keyword. We'll look into that in our next video. Thank you.